Hello kids! Let's read a simple sentence about horse. D-H-E The H-O-R-S-E Horse. The horse R-U-N-S runs. The horse runs F-A-S-T fast. The horse runs fast. Again. The horse. The horse runs. The horse runs fast. The horse runs fast.